Looking for a smarter way to explore new cities? Here's a quick review of DareMapp, the self-guided tour app built for travelers in 2025. DareMapp gives you GPS-based, audio-guided walking tours created by locals. Just pick a city, choose a tour like Hidden Paris or Street Art in Berlin, and hit start. The app guides you with voice narration, offline maps, and background facts at each stop. No schedules, no guides, no Wi-Fi needed once it's downloaded. You go at your own pace. Pause, grab coffee, or skip ahead. It's all up to you. The interface is clean, the directions are accurate, and the narration feels more like a local friend than a tour bus script. You can even earn badges for finishing tours. Great for kids or gamified travelers. If you love freedom, flexibility, and discovering spots you'd never find on Google, DareMapp is 100% worth the download. Great for solo travelers, couples, or even families.